When do you need Jaguar engine repair, and how early diagnosis saves major costs? Jaguar engines are high-performance systems designed for smooth power and refined driving. Even minor engine issues can escalate quickly if ignored for long periods. Early detection plays a major role in avoiding expensive and extensive engine repairs. Common signs your Jaguar may need engine repair: knocking, ticking, or unusual engine noises during startup or acceleration can indicate trouble. Loss of power, rough idling, or hesitation while driving are common warning signs. A check engine light illuminating repeatedly or staying on constantly requires attention. Performance issues that should never be ignored. Overheating caused by coolant leaks, thermostat failure, or radiator issues can damage the engine. Excessive exhaust smoke indicating oil burning or internal component wear should not be ignored. Increased fuel consumption due to faulty sensors or inefficient combustion drives up operating costs. Why early engine diagnosis is critical. Advanced diagnostics identify sensor failures, misfires, and timing issues early. Small repairs prevent damage to pistons, valves, and cylinder walls. Early intervention avoids complete engine rebuilds or replacements. Cost benefits of timely Jaguar. Engine repairs. Minor fixes cost significantly less than major internal engine repairs. Timely repairs prevent breakdowns that can lead to towing and emergency repair expenses. Repairing early protects surrounding components such as turbochargers and exhaust systems. Conclusion. Paying attention to early warning signs helps preserve engine health. Regular inspections and diagnostics save money and extend engine lifespan. Timely Jaguar engine repair ensures long-term reliability and driving confidence.